Village Rockstar. So Village Rockstar is a story of a rock band of a village in Assam. These guys want to get rich, travel world, drink booze and meet some hot chicks. That's the story. Just kidding. So Village Rockstar. Village Rockstar is an Assami film. This is my second Assami film review, and this was recommended to me by Biplo Igoga in the comment section of Ami's film review. So Biplo, buddy, this is for you. So first thought after watching the film, beautiful. Beautiful, touching, heartwarming. This is literally a gem from Assami's film industry. Like, it was so beautiful. If you are someone like me who loves unique filmmaking style, if you love something different, if you want to watch something different, if you want to watch something independent, you want to see how these independent filmmakers are able to achieve a beautiful movie, then you should definitely go for this movie. Before talking anything about this story, I want to tell that this is going to be spoiler free, the half part, then I'll give you the warning, but listen to me why you should watch this movie first. Talking about the story, सो ये कहानी है मुन्नू नाम की एक 10 साल की लड़की की, एंड शी इज़ अ फार्मर्स डॉटर. शी डजंट हैव डैड एंड शी ड्रीम्स ऑफ ओनिंग अ गिटार विथ अ लोकल बॉयज़ फ्रेंड्स. एंड दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, लाइक girls are not allowed to talk to boys, and this girl is totally like a guy. She does everything like a guy. She climbs trees. Okay, I don't want to get into those things first. Let's talk about the technical things. So direction. So ये film का direction किया है. Okay, not just direction. This film is directed, the cinematography, the editing, the story, screenplay, everything is done by this one superwoman, Reema Das, and she has done a spectacular job of making this film. Like, you can see that how much effort she has put to do this research of this village. Like, this woman, like, she's so multi-talented. We need such kind of people. So much money can be saved actually. Also, she has produced this film. Being an independent filmmaker, this is amazing. You don't have to answer anyone. You can do anything. The cinematography of the movie, right from the first shot, you know that this is going to be a visually stunning imagery. So she has taken a lot of long shots to capture the landscape of the village. लंबे शॉट रखे, so आप देख सके कि, like, you can see how much beautiful the village is just because of the landscape. It's like every shot, every frame is like a painting throughout the movie. Each and every shot, like, you can just pause that shot for a moment and you can take the picture and put it on your wall. It's a painting. It's that great. Every shot. This is one of the best thing of the film, the cinematography. Now talking about the music, there's no music in the film. You heard me right, there's no music, and this is the uniqueness of the movie. There's no music, but the whole music of the film is the nature sound, is the normal sound which we hear. Like, the sound design done by this Preetham Datta guy, and he has done a fantastic job of creating the atmosphere with all those sounds. You feel like you are there. You feel like you are there in that moment. ऐसा लगता है कि हम वहीं पे, अगर नदी का शॉट चल रहा है तो बस नदी की आवाज़ें आ रही है, अगर भाग रहे वो खेल रहे बच्चे तो बस वही सराउंडिंग का साउंड आता है. एंड दिस वॉज सो ब्यूटिफुल, दिस वॉज सो यूनिक. थ्रू आउट द मूवी देयर इज नो म्यूजिक एट ऑल, एंड दिस मेक्स द मूवी सो यूनिक. हर बार जब मैं फिल्म देख रहा था, वो सब साउंड्स, वो नेचर के साउंड और वो सब चीज़ें सुनाई पड़ रही थी, ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं मेडिटेशन कर रहा हूँ. दिस वॉज सो पीसफुल. This is just the nature sound. The nature is so wonderful. It's so filled with music. You don't have to put a background music. At least in this case, she didn't, and she did a great job by taking that decision not to put any background music and just to use the natural sound around the surrounding. So let's talk about the cast now. The 10-year-old girl Munnu, played by Bhanita Das, and her mother, played by Basanti Das. It looks like a Das family thing. A lot of Das are there in the credit section. And also the other guys in the, like, her friends, her brother, the neighbors, everything was looking like they weren't actors. I feel that they weren't actors actually. I think they were just the village people that she casted, and she trained them how to act, and they did an amazing job. Nothing in this film looks like a acting. It looks like these people are just there, they are having fun, and Reema Das is capturing them doing fun with all her friends. The little Munnu, she's such a treat to watch. She's so natural. Even her mother, she's so natural, and the bond between the mother and the daughter, it's always lovable. Like, that thing just, it melts me all the time. So the cast has done an amazing job. Like, you don't have to worry about the acting. You you know these are just real people, it's not acting. I don't know if उन्होंने अगर कभी acting किया भी होगा, but whatever they have done in this film, it's natural, it's them. This is how it should be. No nepotism, nothing, just वही अपने real actors. आई थिंक ये सब चीज़ें काफ़ी है आप लोगों को जानने के लिए कि ये मूवी क्यों देखनी चाहिए, वाई इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड वाई यू नीड टू वॉच इट. एंड बिफोर नाउ आई स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट स्पॉयलर्स, यू जस्ट पॉज राइट देयर राइट नाउ, go and watch the movie, it's there on Netflix, then come back and then watch my review. I am discussing this film in little depth, whatever I have understood. Now talking about the story right from the beginning, you see the character of this girl Munnu. वो इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, शी इज़ डूइंग एवरीथिंग दैट अ गाय डज. शी इज़ नॉट हैविंग हर फादर एंड दैट्स आई थिंक द रीजन शी वॉज डूइंग ऑल दोज थिंग्स. लाइक यू वॉन्ट टू बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग, यू वॉन्ट टू शो पीपल दैट you are strong, and that's what Reema Das was showing. She was climbing trees, she was doing all those jobs which her brother was supposed to do, बट उसके जगह पे वही सारे काम कर रही थी. और फिर उनका एक छोटा सा बैंड है और वो इट्स नॉट, वो तो बहुत ही सही था. आई लाइक हाउ दे वर प्लेइंग एज किड्स, लाइक दे हैड दिस फेक बैंड, दिस वो खिलौने जैसे वो खुद ही अपना गिटार बना रहे थे थर्माकोल के साथ, खुद ही एक अपना बैंड बना रहे थे, एंड दे वर ड्रीमिंग ऑफ हैविंग अ बैंड, एंड दैट वाज सो ब्यूटिफुल. लाइक आई फील लाइक आई शुड बिकम अ किड अगेन एंड थिंक लाइक दैट एंड ऑल दैट नाइविटी ऑफ द थिंग. Yeah, I miss my childhood, man. This is how life should be, man. The simplicity, the living in nature kind of thing. भाग दौड़ की दुनिया से दूर. But yeah, so बच्चे लोग सब खेल रहे हैं और उसमें there's this one kid, one rich kid. He has a cycle and they all dream of having cycle and they see him like this guy who is showing off. वो एक बार आता है, फिर मुन्नू को थप्पड़ लगा देता. I felt very bad that time. I wanted to punch that guy. But again, that guy, he so naively comes there, like he was so jealous of them. They were having a band, they were having fun, and he was alone, this guy only cycling, he was not having many friends. वो आता है फिर वो क्या the way that girl has confidence and she asks him to apologize, that was so nice to watch. कि वो बोलती है कि पहले तुझे सॉरी बोलना पड़ेगा, फिर तुझे अपनी साइकिल भी हमको देनी पड़ेगी. इट वॉज लाइक अस बीइंग किड्स. ये देख के अपने बचपन की मुझे बहुत याद आ रही थी. फिर जैसे जैसे स्टोरी आगे बढ़ती है एंड दे स्टार्ट थिंकिंग दैट हाउ मच इट विल कॉस्ट टू बाय अ गिटार. फिर वो 500 से लेके 5000 तक चला जाता है. वो अपना जुगाड़ शुरू करती है. शी गोज टू हर नेबर्स, लाइक डू क्लाइंबिंग एंड गेट सम मनी एंड स्टार्ट्स कलेक्टिंग दैट इन हर दैट यूनिक पिगी बैंक. दैट वॉज सो यूनिक. वो बम्बू को खड्डा करके उसमें पैसे जमा करना. ऑल्सो आई रियली लाइक द ग्रैंडपा कैरेक्टर, हाउ ही वॉज टेलिंग द स्टोरीज और कैसे वो उनको बता रहे थे कि कैसी द वे ही वॉज टेलिंग द स्टोरी ऑफ महाभारत, द वे ही वॉज टेलिंग द स्टोरी ऑफ युधिष्ठिर एंड पांडवर्स एंड दैट ऑल क्वेश्चनर थिंग. दैट वॉज अमेजिंग. दैट इट मेक्स यू थिंक लाइक कि या वॉट यू नीड रियली टू बिकम अ रिच पर्सन इज जस्ट नॉट हैविंग एनी ग्रीड. That was wonderful. All these things are happening और उसके बीच में जब फ्लड आता है और फिर फ्लड की वजह से होल क्रॉप्स गेट डिस्ट्रॉयड एंड दिस हैपन्स एवरी ईयर. दैट वाज एंड द वे शी आस्क्स हर मदर कि एवरी ईयर, हर साल ये होता है, हर साल द फ्लड कम्स एंड इट डिस्ट्रॉयज आवर क्रॉप्स बट स्टिल वी आर डूइंग द सेम थिंग. व्हाई इज दैट? एंड हर मदर सिंपली आंसर्स दैट दिस इज व्हाट आवर जॉब इज, दिस इज वर्क इज रिलीजन फॉर अस. दैट वाज सो थॉटफुल. दैट thought was so unique. This is how actually people think in poverty. Like you just have to work hard and hard and hard and that is life. The whole chemistry between the mother and the daughter, मुन्नू और उसकी माँ के बीच में, so वो देख के इतना अच्छा लग रहा कि you know that's how this relationship between a mother daughter or a mother son, it's always so pure कि ये कभी दुनिया में सब चीज़ें ख़राब हो सकती है. एवरीथिंग कैन बी टॉक्सिक, लाइक एवरीथिंग कैन गो हेवायर, बट दिस वन रिलेशनशिप between a mother and a daughter, a mother and a son, it's always going to be so pure. Whole time I was watching this film, I was just thinking about all these childhood memories I had as a kid, like going out with friends, climbing trees, doing some all kind of oot-patang cheeze. The way she was talking about that secret thing, the secret for getting anything is to think about it, that you will get it finally. You work hard for it. Also, like the grandpa suggests her, you work hard, you study, you get the scholarship and you will have anything, whatever you want in life, you will have that. और वो सच होता है. जैसे कि वो क्रॉस ओवर देखते हैं हम कि शी इज़ थिंकिंग अबाउट हर गिटार buying that guitar, collecting money, and her mother is actually going there to, sorry, her mother is actually going to the market, and she's asking for the guitar, and she asks how much the price is, and she's even belonging to that poverty, even if she doesn't know if she can afford or not, but still she tries, and she wants to get the guitar for her girl. And after, when she hits her puberty, the little girl, it's like the life is ending for her, she can't. But the way Reema Das showed that, again she is climbing trees with her friends, it, that was nice. That I felt like I was feeling कि अभी इसका खत्म, इसका बचपन खत्म हो गया, अभी she will not do anything, she will not play with her friends. But no, she's still playing with her same friends, with her brother, she's still climbing the trees, and that was so nice. It was so feel good. And finally, once she gets the guitar and she's playing the real guitar, वो देख के फाइनली मन को शांति मिलती है कि भाई हो गया, like she got what she wanted, she was working hard for that, even it was little money, but it showed that how much she was focused on that one thing. She gets that guitar, and I hope like in future they'll make a band, they are actually playing as some rock stars. And I really like, when I think about it, कि मैं सोचता हूँ कि ये लड़की को गिटार मिल गया, एंड शी इज़ नाउ ट्रेनिंग हार्ड, और जब वो बड़ी होती है, शी स्टार्ट्स प्लेइंग इन अ बैंड, एंड शी हैज़ अचीव्ड हर ड्रीम्स, एंड शी इज़ ट्रैवलिंग द वर्ल्ड. थॉट ओनली मेक्स यू so happy. I don't know if I'm missing something, but throughout the movie, one thing I noticed that, this is how life was actually meant to be. This is how it was. It was not mechanical. It was not filled with deadlines, pressure, and all those things. It was this simple. You just have to believe in nature and trust the nature and live according to your surrounding. But वो सब नहीं हो सकता. This is a gem, really. This is a gem. This, I did some research, and it actually has gotten a national award for Asami movie, and it deserves that. But this film should be seen by a lot of people. These type of films, तभी जाके लोगों को समझेगा. And if people are not watching these kind of movies, then how these people will keep making this movie if they are not making money? We have to tell people that, guys, please watch this kind of movies, please. If we are not watching, they will stop making, और फिर तुमको हमेशा की तरह वही शिटी चीज़ें देखने की आदत लग जाएगी, और तुम वही देखते रहोगे. मैं चाहूँगा कि सब देखे. थैंक यू रीमा दास, एंड थैंक यू आसामीज फिल्म इंडस्ट्री फॉर मेकिंग दिस फिल्म, for always trying to do something unconventional and something different, something unique. That's how movies should be made, that's how films should be made. It's there on Netflix, go watch it. So yeah, I loved the movie. Thank you for suggesting me, and I hope to see more from Assamese films, and also any other language. Like, मैं तो कुछ भी देख सकता हूँ. I like all kind of films. It doesn't matter to me if I'm watching it on small screen, big screen. I'm not knowing the language, doesn't matter. If the film is good, I'll watch. Please suggest me. Please tell me more about this movie in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. And there's this button, subscribe. Please do that thing. Bye.